Your Discord server is already doing business. It just isn't running like one. Orders in DMs, stock in a spreadsheet, receipts as screenshots. Every ticket opened by hand. Noxyr. One free bot, one dashboard, 11 modules. Start with the catalog. Categories, products, stock, priced in USD with live INR and EUR. Bill from Discord. /invoice. Apply a voucher and Noxyr renders a branded invoice image backed up to your server. Members can verify it themselves. /check invoice, /check voucher. Results locked to your server. No admin access needed. Tickets get a panel, a claim, a close reason, and a save transcript. Flip on AI help, and the first reply drafts itself. Staff still gets the final say. Then rosters, giveaways, applications, reviews, verification, welcome messages, moderation, and anti-nuke. Off until you turn it on. Pick one look: Aurora, Midnight, Ember, Mono, Neon, and every module restyles to match. Setup is 4 steps. Log in with Discord, pick a server you administrate, flip the switches, and the bot reads that config live. 11 modules, no paid plan, free hosting, while the spots last. 58 of 100 are taken. Add Noxyr, log in with Discord, and open the control panel. Noxyrbot.com.